Hi, this is Bob Mason from FX Empire and welcome to the weekly crypto tech review. This week we're looking at Bitcoin and Ethereum. We'll be looking at the MACDs, the moving averages, the week's support, resistance and pivot levels and the Fibonacci's. This is the tech analysis for the week ending September 26th. Looking at Bitcoin against the US dollar and the daily candlesticks, it's been a bearish start to the week. You're going to need to see Bitcoin avoid the pivot at 46,501 to take a run at the first major resistance level at 49,557. Support from the broader market is going to be needed for Bitcoin to break out from last week's high. It was at 48,819. Barring an extended rally on the week, expect that first major resistance level and the 23.6% fib at 5473. to cap any upside. In the event of an extended rally, we've got the second major resistance level at 51,876 and resistance at 52 to cap any upside in the week. Fall through the pivot will bring the first major support level at 44,182 into play. Barring an extended sell-off in the week, Bitcoin should stay clear of 38.2% fib at 41,592 and the second major support level of 41,126. Looking at the MACDs, we have a narrowing of the bearish histograms at the turn of the week, so keep an eye on that and look out for a possible bullish cross. On the EMAs, that's a bullish signal with the 50 moving away marginally from the 100 and the 200, so that's signaling further upside ahead. So key would be to avoid the pivot at 46,501 and break out from last week's high 48,819 to bring resistance levels into play. Failure to do that and support levels will come into play. Looking at Ethereum against the US dollar, also a bearish start to the week. Going to need to see Ethereum move through the 23.6% fib at 3369 and the pivot at 3372. Take a run at the first major resistance level at 3633. Support from the broader market is going to be needed for Ethereum to break back through to 3600 levels. So barring an extended rally in the week, expect that first major resistance level and last week's high at 3675.92 to cap any upside. In the event of a breakout, should see Ethereum target 4000 levels before any pullback. Second major resistance levels at 3937. Failure to move through the 23.6% fib and the pivot would bring the first major support level at 3068 into play. Barring an extended sell-off in the week, Ethereum should avoid sub 3000 support levels. Second major support level sits at 2807. Looking at the MACDs, widening of the bearish histograms at the turn of the week, so that's coming off the back of this sell-off. On the EMAs, however, we've got the 50 holding its ground against the 100 and the 200, so look out for a widening to provide support through the early part of the week. So key would be to move back through the 23.6% fib at 3369 and through the pivot at 3372 to bring resistance levels into play. Failure to do that and support levels will come into play.